exits located in the building. 3 on your right hand side and 1 on your left hand side. Now look right and you will find 1 exit at the bottom of door A, 1 in the middle of door B, and 1 on top. Now on your left hand side, you will find the exit at the bottom near the stage. In case of an emergency, do not panic. Follow the teacher's lead and find the nearest exit. That way, you will save yourself and others.
All right, well, welcome everyone to our PYP1 assembly. Thank you very much everyone for coming in a reasonably quiet way. I know that as the year comes to a close, we get a little bit more excited, but we still have to remember the things that make us different, the things that make us special. And they are our manners and our ability to behave correctly in different places. As we always say, Chaputra Hall is a formal place. It's a place where we must enjoy but be quiet. And sometimes we can cheer and sometimes we can clap, but we have to judge when that's appropriate. So I'm sure your mums and dads are going to be watching you to give them clues and cues as to when that should happen. So, as we always do at the beginning of every formal occasion, we are going to stand quietly and sing the national anthem and our school hymn. Now remember, when we move, we don't talk, we just stand up quietly and be ready. Thank you, everyone. You probably couldn't hear from where you're sitting, but I could hear the PYP1 singing so beautifully. So I'm very excited about their performance and their assembly that's going to show us their learning journey in this last unit of inquiry. So without any further ado, I'm going to hand the microphone over to PYP1 and I'm going to sit down and enjoy watching all their learning from this year.
Saya Emily akan memimpin doa dalam cara Konghucu. Wei te tong tian xian yu yi te, dan salam kebajikan. Terima kasih Tian atas penyatuanmu. Bimbinglah aku dan teman-teman pada hari ini agar kami sehat selalu, serta dapat melaksanakan tugas sekolah dengan sebaik-baiknya. Wang Yi Shanti, Wei Tian Yu Te San Zai.
I also want to find a book to read.
How about you, Kita and Regan? Do you want to join us?
That's nice. Let's go there.
Wow, there's a giant book here.
What book is it? I'm really curious.
Let's just open it to find out.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Huh? Where are we?
I think I've sat in some giant book in the library before. Trevor, I think we are in the storybook. In the jungle. Look around us.
You are right, we are in the jungle. I think something happened there. Let's see.
Pada zaman dahulu kala, hiduplah seorang perempuan tua bernama Mbok Shirley. Dia tinggal sendirian di hutan. Pada suatu hari, muncullah seorang raksasa di dekat rumah Mbok Shirley.
Tuhan tanam. Tapi ingat, kamu harus menyerahkan anakmu saat 6 tahun untuk aku makan. Wahaha. Baiklah, buta hijau.
Sini pulang kemudian menanam biji timun dari buto hijau di halaman rumahnya. Setelah 2 minggu, tumbuhlah timun yang sangat besar. Saat anak sini membelah timun tersebut, betapa terkejutnya dia. Ada seorang bayi perempuan cantik di dalamnya. Anak sini lalu merawat bayi tersebut dengan gembira. Dia merasa senang karena tidak kesepian lagi. Bayi itu dinamakan Timunas. Saat Timunas berusia 6 tahun, bos ini merasa khawatir kalau buto hijau akan datang mengambil anaknya. Dia pun menemui seorang petapa yang kemudian memberinya 4 kantong untuk menyelamatkan Timunas dari buto hijau.
Tolonglah pertapa baik hati, saya tidak mau Timunas dimakan oleh buto hijau. Ambillah 4 kantong ajaib ini. Suruh timun emas lempar satu persatu ke arah buto hijau. Dia pasti akan selamat. Baiklah pertapa baik hati.
Suatu hari, buto hijau datang ke ruang Mbok Sirni. Mbok Sirni segera memberikan 4 kantong ajaib kepada Timunas. Kemudian meminta Timunas lari ke hutan.
Timunas, ambillah 4 kantong ajaib ini dan pergilah ke hutan. Baiklah ibu. Sanalah cepat.
Timunas membuang kantong ajaib pertama ke arah buto hijau. Kantong itu berisi biji timun. Tiba-tiba biji timun tersebut menjadi ladang timun yang menjerat raksasa. Namun sayangnya buto hijau berhasil melepaskan diri. Timunas kembali berlari. Dia melemparkan kantong tua yang berisi jarum. Jarum tersebut berubah menjadi hutan bambu yang mengalir badan dan kaki buto hijau. Namun buto hijau kembali bisa membebaskan diri. Timunas berlari kembali. Dia melemparkan kantong ketiga yang ternyata berisi garam. Garam itu berubah menjadi lautan yang membuat buto hijau tenggelam. Tapi buto hijau lagi-lagi bisa bebas.
Sini kau.
Timunas merasa lelah berlari berisi terasi. Terasi tersebut berubah menjadi lautan lumpur yang panas. Air ini berujung tenggelam dan tidak bisa menyelamatkan diri. Di sana ibunya menunggu dengan cemas. Saat ibu Sini melihat Timun Mas, dia menangis bahagia.
Ibu, pulang selamat nak.
Bok Sini dan Timun Mas berpelukan dan merasa senang karena Buto Ijo telah mati. Mereka pun hidup bahagia selamanya.
Wow, what a nice story. It was Timun Mas from Indonesia. Now look at that. I think there's another story about ducks here. Let's watch it, Trevor. Okay, we can keep. I think to me and we can go to duck story. Bye. Okay, we'll go find the story. See you later, guys.
Once upon a time, there was a mother duck. She laid 6 eggs. All of them hatched. Out came beautiful yellow ducklings, all except one egg. When this one egg hatched, out came a great duckling.
What? Why? How? What's wrong with you? Why are you so great? I don't know why, but I am great. How's going this? Nobody else.
On his way, the ugly duckling met some birds.
What happened to your colors? Why do you look so dull?
Oh no! The ugly duckling was captured by an old lady. She put him in a cage.
Ugly duckling, run away. The old lady wants to eat you up.
The ugly duckling hid in the lake until winter came. Yeah.
I'm freezing cold.
Hey buddy, you're all wet and cold. Don't worry, I will take care of you. anything, look at your reflection in the lake. The ugly duckling was not ugly anymore. He was not a duckling anymore either. I'm not an ugly duckling, but I'm a beautiful swan. Hello, you're one of us. Come and join us. Let's fly together forever. Let's do it. And they belong happy ever after. The end. Hey, stop making funny sounds.
What song did you sing?
我们这张小歌都找妈妈。我们没有听过 We've never heard of it.
What's the song about?
It's about the famous sugar tongue in China. It tells about the clothes looking for your mom.
请坐下吧 Please sit down and we will tell the story.
小蝌蚪找妈妈，春天来了，青蛙妈妈生了好多黑黑的卵，卵变成了有长尾巴的小蝌蚪。
它们在水里游来游去，非常快乐。
有一天，鸭妈妈带着它的孩子去池塘游水，小蝌蚪们游到鸭妈妈身边，问鸭妈妈：“鸭妈妈，我们的妈妈在哪里呀？”
鸭妈妈说：“你们的妈妈就在池塘里，她有2只大眼睛和1个大嘴巴。”
一条大鱼游过来了，小蝌蚪看见它有2只大眼睛和1个大嘴巴，他们想，这一定是妈妈来了。小蝌蚪们游上去喊：“
妈妈，妈妈！”大鱼笑着说：“我不是你们的妈妈，我是小鱼的妈妈。你们的妈妈没有，你们的妈妈有4条腿。”
一只大乌龟游过来了，小蝌蚪看见大乌龟有4条腿，他们想，这一定是妈妈来了。小蝌蚪们游上去喊：“
妈妈，妈妈！”大乌龟笑着说：“我不是你们的妈妈，我是小乌龟的妈妈。你们的妈妈没有尾巴，穿着礼服。”
小蝌蚪继续游啊游，看见一只青蛙，它有2只大眼睛和1个大嘴巴，没有尾巴，穿着绿衣服。他们想，这一定是妈妈来了。
这时候，青蛙妈妈游过来了，看见了小妈妈说：“我是你们的妈妈。”小蝌蚪终于找到妈妈了，谢谢。 That was so good.
谢谢你们给我们讲这个故事。Thanks for sharing this beautiful story with us. But now we have to go to another story to meet our friends. Wow, we are back in the library. Guys, I really enjoy stories. I can also learn from them.
Yes, I can learn from the theme of my story that sometimes people are evil and we need to have courage. We can have courage because we know that God will help us. So let's all continue doing good and praying.
Yeah, I can learn stories of ugly duckling there. What is ugly? What is beautiful? What is beautiful to some will be ugly to others, and what is ugly to others will be beautiful to some. But a kind heart is always a kind heart.
I agree, Trevor. I also learned from the Shampoo story that challenges are all around us. Do you give up? No. We keep trying, do your best, and face your challenges always.
Let's go back to the class. I like learning about stories. I always enjoy stories.
Yeah, now I know that stories have elements like character, setting, plot, resolution, conflict, and a message.
You are right. People have different ways to share stories like role-playing, dancing, singing, reading aloud, playing puppet, or even writing or creating comics.
For me, the most important thing is that I can enjoy stories and I can learn a lot about life by reading stories. Now let's see, okay, do you want to learn stories from this video?
you for being a part of our storytelling journey today. We hope you enjoyed the stories.
Keep the magic of stories alive by reading more and more books and letting your imagination soar.
Wow, what a show that we just had. Once more, can we give a big round of applause to all the grade 1 students and also every member of the team who have made this happen. So, this is the acknowledgement, one of our items in each of the assembly. Besides acknowledging and applauding for the performers, we are also acknowledging those who have spent their time, used their time to reach something, to make something of themselves, and they achieve mostly based on their hobbies or their interests. Now, first acknowledgement is to Kimberly Cahyadi. Where are you, Kimberly? Are you here? Can you? There she is. For Piano International Festival and Competition in Surabaya, and she received Gold Medal Award. Congratulations, Kimberly. Next one. And Catherine Chahyadi. Where's Catherine? Are you here, Catherine? There she is. The same in Surabaya, and she is receiving the Silver Medal Award. Congratulations, Catherine. Next one. Young Alpha Benjamin. Where are you, Ben? Where is he? Where is Ben? Ah, there he is. So you won the 5th prize, winner category 4, and the 4th CMA Mental Arithmetic National Competition. If you want to know about maths, you ask Ben, okay? Congratulations, Ben. Next one. Do we still have next one? Oh, alright. So these are the 3 students who have achieved more or beyond what they are doing at school. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Okay, Mabel, so what do you think about this performance today?
I think the performance was awesome.
Yes, me too, I agree. How about you guys?
Now we're going to say the June birthdays and guys' birthdays.
And we would like to say sorry if we pronounce your names wrong. Happy birthday to Alita, Juan, James, Ruben, Jonan, Rafael, Dominic, Keith, Kyle, Choi Won-yo, Denzel, Lee, and Kaisa.
Happy birthday to Louisa, Shanice, Afifa, Kim Gayon, Owen, Rishi, Gracio, Nakita, Kenneth, Troy, Kylie, and Alvaro. Now for the teachers' birthday wishes, they are
Happy birthday to Mr. Ivan,
Miss Amanda,
Miss Listy,
Mr. Bagus,
Miss Christine State.
and Miss Bianca.
Once again, let's give a round of applause for the beautiful assembly and the birthday wishes.
Well, thank you so much to everyone who has made today's assembly so wonderful. PYP 1. I was in their classrooms as they were working through this unit of inquiry about storytelling, and it was so exciting to see all the different ways that they were learning how stories are told. And I know that every one of you has probably been through that unit of inquiry. But storytelling is the oldest way to learn. It's the oldest way to pass on information. Since the beginning of human existence, which is tens of thousands of years ago, humans told stories to teach things, to learn, to remember. So this is probably one of the most important units of inquiry in the whole of the PYP, because this is teaching us about how learning started. And now, wow, where are we now? We've got AI. We can put stuff into an AI program and it can tell us a story and create something for us. So we've come a long way. But let's not forget where it all started, with telling stories from old people to young people. All right, I have to say that this assembly has been a true joy, and I'd like everyone to put their hands together again for our wonderful PYP students. Can we have all the PYP1 children come out onto the stage, please? Can you all come out? All right, come on guys, come on out. Just so that we can see all of you. All our beautiful babies. We're allowed to say that, they are our babies. Next year you guys are going to be our babies. Let's give them all a big, big round of applause. And of course, as you saw from the video of the learning journey, it wasn't just the PYP1 teachers who helped them learn about storytelling. I think nearly every teacher in this school helped. We saw lots of teachers telling them stories and sharing ways to tell stories. So let's put our hands together, not just for our wonderful PYP1 teachers, but for the single subject teachers and all the other teachers who helped them in this year of inquiry. Oh, you can do better than that. Come on, let's do a big round of applause. And of course, last but not least, thank you mums and dads for coming to share this lovely celebration with us. Let's give all the mums and dads a big round of applause. You want to give your mums and dads a big round of applause? Thank you for joining us. All right, well, that's the end of our assembly. Now I want everyone to listen carefully, because this is how it's going to happen. All right? PYP 2 and 3, you are going to exit through this door. 4, 5 and 6 through that door. Split the ramp in half.